Electronics. All about electronics.
I will just show this component, which component I use in this project. First, I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller board, SIM 800L GSM model, 16:2 LCD display with I2C model, and I use this LM2596 step down converter, EM18 reader module, EM18 RFID card, zero PCB. Okay, I will just explain this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller. See, in this circuit diagram, I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller and this 16:2 LCD display with I2C module. And I given this power supply is the 12 volt 2 ampere power supply to directly pin number B in and the ground. Okay, and I use this EM18 reader module, and I just use this step down converter to providing this 3.7 volt to this GSM SIM 800L module. I use this LM2596 step down converter. Okay, this is the final circuit diagram of this project. The first one is the Arduino Nano microcontroller, 16:2 LCD display with I2C module, and I use this 12 volt 2 ampere power supply to given this power supply is the V in pin and this step down converter directly, and I use this EM18 reader module and the SIM 800L module. Yeah, this is the final circuit diagram of this project. Okay, I'll just explain this hardware of this project. In this hardware, I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller, SIM 800L GSM module, LM2596 step down converter, and the EM18 reader module. And I use this big antenna to this better signal. And this is the 16:2 LCD display with I2C module. Okay, and this is the DC female socket. I just given this 12 volt 2 ampere power supply, the complete hardware of this project. A smart attendance system. I just turn on this system and the same 16:2 LCD display is welcome to our project, and Jason just finding this signal. Okay, what I do, I just scan this card one by one. This is the student card. When you scan this card is not authorized card. This is the invalid card. That's why the display this ID unknown access denied. Okay, I just scan this valid card. See, when I scan this valid card, is the display this name and roll number, and then GSM sending the text message to this parent's mobile number. See, the SMS will become this display is Pratik is present at his school. Okay, when I scan the same card, is the display same things, name, roll number, and then GSM sending this second time to the SMS. This time SMS will be Pratik is out of the school, and this percentage is also allowed, and this out of, I mean this thing is the very interesting. Your parents know to you present in this school, and your parents also know to this you go out to this school. I mean it's out to this school. And if you scan this another student card, is display name and roll number, and then GSM sending the text message to the another parent's mobile number. This will become display Sonu is present at school. Okay, this is the present school, and I scan my this card is the second time. It displays same things, name, roll number, and this time is the display Sonu is the out of the school. Okay, this is the totally EM18 basis the attendance system. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your all the friends. If you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.